Okay, so I was muted. Sorry again. Hope you can now hear me very well. Nice. So we should we need to wait few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, until other people join. Welcome, Maurice. We are waiting for a few people to join so we can start. Maybe after 3 more minutes, we can start. Yes, let's get started. Um, Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome again for 2 hours weekly session. I mean bi-weekly sessions, where we run this session with developers. So for those who are new in these sessions, we are running this session to help new developer like to help new developers to get started as a Cardano developer, and we share and discuss few technical concepts here. So welcome again, and feel free to raise any question if you really don't understand something. So the today's session is about. Let me maybe share my screen very quickly. Um, yeah. Okay. Hope you can see my screen. Okay. You can see my screen. Okay, good. So the today's session, we are going to discuss a bit more about wallet integration in Cardano and developer experience. We'll go quite deeper on how what is a wallet, what is a Cardano wallet, how it works, and let me turn it on my camera so I'll go to yeah. So yeah, we are going to discuss a bit more about what is a wallet, how it works, and how to integrate it as a developer. So feel free to ask any question at any time if you have. So again, I'm not seeing this. I'm not seeing my like I'm not seeing the chat. So raise your hand so I'll understand and I'll give you the chance to ask your question or speak. So first of all, what is a wallet? What is a Cardano wallet? A Cardano wallet is only a software application that enable yes, please can you okay. Okay, yeah, of course. I'll share the link in the chat very soon after the call. So yeah. Um, what is a Cardano wallet? It's just a software application that enable users to manage their digital assets on Cardano blockchain. Wallet provider provide interfaces and tools needed to integrate with the Cardano securely. So core function of a wallet. We can see that a wallet can has key management, has address generations, transaction signing, balance tracking, and depth integration. All descriptions of those keywords are just here. I want to go quite quickly because I want to come back. We have a lot of things to check today. For example, when we are saying one of the key function of the of a wallet is the transaction signing. Is just when you are doing a transaction, you'll use your wallet to like to sign. Even if you're using a CLI wallet, even if it's a browse wallet, you'll need to sign a transaction with your keys. The keys just here. So important concept. So you'll find like keyword if you don't really understand some word. For example, here, if you don't know what is a UTXO, you just hold your mouse there. You'll see that a definition of that keyword is will appear. For example, UTXO is unspent transaction output, fundamental unit that unit value of Cardano, like representing unspent found at a specific address. So wallet don't store what a wallet doesn't really store. It doesn't really store. Wallet doesn't store actual like store. Sorry, I mean wallet don't actually store your ADA. or token. So your wallet doesn't really contain your ADA. Our wallet is just an application that shows the value of UTXOs you have in your wallet, So in the blockchain, I mean. So it doesn't really hold the ADA you have or token, any token. So wallet can't exist on the blockchain in UTXO. That's what I was trying to explain just here. So the ADA you have, all tokens you have, or pounds you have, exist in UTXO, not in the wallet, not in the application itself. So wallets manage the key that control access to those funds. So you use those keys to control the fund in your wallet. Your funds are safe as long as you control the private key. So if your private key is now compromised, your wallet is no longer safe. So the very important thing to keep and to secure is the private keys. And private keys, if you want to see a definition of what is a private keys, private keys are secret cryptographic keys that allow you to sign a transaction and provide ownership on of fund. Yeah. So key component. When we are saying wallet application, for example, any wallet application, we have three principal key components. The first one are here, like we start from private keys, transaction signing, and found as send found. So the first key component are here. The second one will be here, public keys, address generation in the same wallet. So the last one will be from addresses and receive found. So for example, with your private key, you can sign the transaction and send the found. It can be any token, any type of tokens. And again, from that same wallet, you can have the public keys and generate uh, addresses. Like you can generate addresses from your wallet. And with those addresses, you can now receive funds. Very easy as that. Like so, from that you can we can summarize the full functionality of our wallet. We now have many type of wallets. The first one are fully node wallet. For example, we have that Daedalus, which have the full Cardano node in the back end. So it's running on top of a full node. So before the wallet synchronize, we need to the full sync the full we need to synchronize the full blockchain in behind. So then we have the actual the current data from the blockchain. We have also light wallets, which connect from remote servers or blockchains, like using APIs. Mostly we can see browsers wallet. I do have few, for example, this Yoroi or Lace wallet. Those are light wallets, only using API to connect to the blockchain and remote servers. We also have hard wallet, physical devices that store keys offline. Mostly when you want to more secure wallet, you use hard wallets. And because you really have a device, it's just like key drive or like any physical device where you hold all the keys offline without exposing all those keys in the internet. Do you remember that we said when you are losing control or your keys are compromised, your wallet is no longer safe. So yeah, the last one we have CLI wallets. Those are like command line tools for programmatic wallet management. So mostly we use Cardano CLI to manage the wallet, to manage CLI wallets. Yeah, to create addresses, to generate keys, to transact, to sign, to do anything you're doing in the browse wallet or hard wallet, or like I mean, full node wallet or hard wallet, you can do it with CLI wallet. So yeah, it's one of the full wallet people may use. We also have like wallet standard, like what are standardization of the wallet in Cardano. The first one we have CIP theory. What is it? It's Cardano Improvement Proposal Theory. Is a standard API that for dApps to communicate with wallets. Like yeah, mostly I can see that Mesh integrated the CIP theory. So from this, you'll kind of like have all the list of wallets. We have CIP like 8 message like sign-in standard for authentication. Mostly when you want to integrate, I mean, when you want to integrate a wallet as a authentication method, you can use this one. And then the last one we have CIP 95, mostly for governance features for voting and participations. Um, Now let's go deeper in integration patterns. So the first one will be payments and transactions. The first and common wallet integration are payments and transactions. So we use wallet to like do payments, to do many transactions online. We have some use cases like integrating a wallet in the e-commerce platform or payment processing, token transfer or swap, subscriptions, and servers, donation platforms. So with this first pattern, most of like platform integrate the wallet to do many kind of transactions, but mostly it's payment and common transactions, any type of transaction, even when you're sending like token, not native tokens or NFTs, it's in this first pattern of wallet use cases. So how does it really work in backend? User make an action, and then user need to build the wallet need to build the transaction and request to sign. Now here the user need to approve by like signing. Mostly in CLI, you don't really need the password because you are really directly using your private keys. But now to protect the browser's keys, for example, now we use a password. That password just let us or let the wallet know that you are the owner of the private key. That's really what it's mean. But the password itself doesn't. It's not required to sign a transaction. It's just kind of like protection and to secure the private key and to secure transactions. I mean, yeah. And then if approved, the transaction will be submitted to the network, and then you can verify it online using like explorers, any explorer. You can see directly the transaction online of chain on chain. I mean, and if it wasn't approved, so the transaction directly will be cancelled. Now we have some tools, recommended tools to integrate. Mostly, myself, I really use Mesh, and Mesh has a lot of like integrations. It's a library, it's a React library for front-end apps, rapid development. So if you want to integrate like a wallet using Mesh, it's like very simple. So it can like take you a day to really integrate a full wallet in your application. We also have Evolution SDK. I discovered not long ago. So yeah, it's a TypeScript library, strongly typed, and backend integration. So if you want to integrate wallets in the backend, you can directly use Evolution SDK. We also have Lucid. It's also a TypeScript library, full transaction control. So with this one, mostly we only want, for example, to control the full process of transaction of a transaction using a wallet. We use this one because with this one you can like control every step of a transaction. Yeah. So we have some verification options to verify on chain, to check on chain. We have Block Frost API, mesh integrated directly. So it's a third-party service for easy transaction querying and verification. We also have Cardano node plus CLI. So you need to install, like you need to run the full node locally, or I don't know, in your server. And then you also need to install the Cardano CLI to make sure that you can now you can now manage and like integrate. I mean, the wallet. What does it say? It say self-hosted solution for complete sovereignty. So we also have Cardano wallet API. We have like in the Intersect repo, you can find the Cardano wallet API with a programmatic wallet management and verification. So the second part, except the payment one, we also have the authentication. Yeah, many platforms use it like to authenticate users. You know, in Web3 space, we can use a wallet as a way of authenticating like users. So wallet is one of the main one of the most used, I mean, to authenticate people in the Web3 spaces, like in the DEX, in the uh, many Web3 platforms use only wallets. For example, ADAX, we integrate directly um, a wallet as a primary authentication, like for users. So how does it really work? User connects the wallet to the dApp, any dApp, like any decentralized, like for example, a decentralized application. Um, so the dApp requests message sign in. So you need to sign. User sign the message with a wallet private key, as we show it up there. The fourth one would be backend verified signature against user's public address. So it's compared the private and the public, if correct. So after that, you'll be the authentication would be granted. So you'll be authenticated in this platform. That's how it really works when you see, for example, someone an dApps request you to authenticate using a wallet in the back. So this is how it really works. And you can see 5 steps, but it's not that like long. It's just a few interactions with users, like 1 minute or less, you'll be authenticated very well. And use cases are like typing platform and social networks. For example, edX, I don't, sorry, I mean, for example, dev community. Let me just show you. If, for example, I disconnect here. We can see that we've integrated Cardano wallet as one of the primary authentication methods. So when you want to connect, you can directly connect here using, for example, Lace or Yoroi. It depends on what extension you have. As long as you have any extension supported by the CIP 30, you'll see your wallet here. Yeah, extension browse wallet here. So let me come back here. And again, we have like gated content and premium features. So for example, you can have like free view of content in a space, and then when you want to get more like or premium features, you need to sign your wallet and authenticate yourself. We also have decentralized identity systems. So, for example, when they want to verify your identity using for example, a Web3 platform, we need to, they really request you to sign your transaction, I mean, connect your wallet. authenticate yourself. Most of Web3 gaming and metaverse platforms use wallet as a primary authentication method. So some advantages of using advantages of like using a wallet as a authentication method. No password management required. So no like forgotten password, stuff like that. Change password. We have cryptography, like proof of ownership. We have like cross-platform compatibility. We have enhanced security. So yeah, quite many advantages. I've just listed before I had, and yeah, we have quite more than that. So most of apps use CIP theory, even the dev community I've just showed you. We use CIP theory, and like you can even use this one as well. But if you want to have the full control of the wallet while connecting, so you can use this one. This one is only for authentication. Okay. For example, if in your app you like make a transaction, you'll need to make a transaction, so you need this one. But this one is only for authentication. For example, a blog, we don't need to do a transaction, any transaction in the platform. So we use this one. Why did we use this one in dev community, for example? Because we are planning to integrate native token in the platform. So yeah, we need to do some quite transaction and sign in transaction in the platform. So the third pattern we have is wallets as a service. Okay. Mostly we call it custodial or semi-custodial wallets. What is it? A custodial wallet wallets were a third-party service like an exchange or wallet provider hold and manage the private keys. For example, you have Binance. When you are like, for example, signing in Binance, you don't have access to your like private keys. When you generate, for example, a public address, in backend, they manage your private key. They help you to secure and keep the private key. So that's what we call custodial wallets. Mostly they manage everything, so you can only see your balance and do transactions. Most of like hybrid Web2, Web3 platforms use this system there. So how it works, application management cryptographic keys securely on behalf of the user. That's what I was trying to explain in the with this example of Binance, for example. You just use your you just connect yourself in your account, and the platform will keep and manage the private key on your behalf. So we have the this aspect. We have like user control, we have UI, like UX frictions, security model, centralization, and cost. So yeah, when to use what, like when to use targeting, like when you are targeting like mainstream non-crypto users, you can use the custodial, because this one doesn't require you to secure yourself like private keys or mnemonic, like many people know mnemonic. So again, you need to use this third one, wallet as a service. The second one, application requiring simplified onboarding. So if you think that you want to simplify the onboarding of users, you can use this one. So people doesn't really care about the security of their private keys. You are the main you are the one to secure their private keys. And again, we need to highlight that this one is really centralized, because your keys are managed by someone, by an entity or a company. The last one in our list, we have applications where UX is prioritized over the decentralization. Because again, I'm coming to centralization, so they don't want to like show users all step of creation of wallet, for example. So they like might minimize the process by keeping the private keys on their end and let only user utilize the platform very easily. So we have quite many of wallet like libraries integrations. I've just mentioned earlier before Mesh.js, and Mesh.js allows you. I'll go to Mesh.js and you'll see how it really works. And it's one of the most used. I mean, yeah, many people when they don't want to go deep and like to spend a lot of time integrating wallet, they just use Mesh.js. We can use Evolution SDK when you want to control the wallet in the backend side and like strong TypeScript typing, yeah, transaction building utilities. So you can use Evolution SDK. We also have Cardano Connect with from Cardano Foundation, I think. Yes, yeah, it's from Cardano Foundation. So yeah, this one provides you an provides you like directly even a UI. So you just integrate and it will provide. Even now, Mesh.js help you to directly have the UI component instead of like go and design your own wallet. For example, in edX or dev community, when we are connecting, this comes directly from Mesh.js. So we can yeah, for example, we can go deep and by customizing the design to look like our platform. But again, all images like yeah, logos and stuff like that are provided by Mesh directly. And again, Cardano Connect with as well comes with quite more like UI. You can customize. I'll show you how it works. I think we still have time. So I've just listed a few of wallets I had in my list. So again, you can find more than this. You can find like custodial wallets where we can list like wallets from Binance, for example. So we have quite many of wallets. So I've just listed this one, Nami. Now it Lace. I think Nami and Lace are the same. Are now the same. We have Eternal, one of the best as well. We have quite many of wallets. It depends on what you really want to do with it. But almost all of them almost have like the same features. Yeah. And again, it's all of the wallet listed here support the CIP3. Full node wallet. I've used it. I've used it. Even this one, Daedalus. Daedalus is one of the huge wallets. So you need to run. You can even spend one week by synchronizing the full node to make sure that you have the current like the actual data from the blockchain. Best practices. Again, I'm not really going deep in coding right now, but you can have like best practices here down here, and you can have error handling. I'll share the link as well after this session. We have session management when you want to keep in the Web2 we use cookies and stuff like that, but in the Web3 we use this kind of session management. So we can still keep the user connection even after 24 hours or 72 hours. Now I want to go to the session resources where you like found link. You can see here we don't have like links, we just have like explanations. But if you want to go deep and have like links, like for Mesh.js, to do that, I'll show you. This is how Mesh.js looks like. And when you want to integrate, mostly you need to, for example, look for which one you which which library you want to use. For us, it's now wallet integration. So we can see we have two types of wallet integrations here. The first one is wallet, browse wallet, the one I showed you just here. I'll again show you how to integrate by using their own component directly. And this is how to integrate, you need to install Mesh.js library in your project, and this is how to call functions like get, install, like get install. This helps you to like advise user to install wallet. So, for example, if he doesn't have a wallet, you can use this function to help user to install, to suggest, user to install. Like to connect wallet, you can connect when user click, for example, Eternal. This is how you enable and connect wallet directly. It will show the process of connections. It will call the browse wallet and like ask user to sign to get balance. So you get like all tokens in the wallet and get the address, wallet address. This is very simple, very simple. So this is a just quick one. When you want to go deep, again, you can follow the documentation here in Mesh and like headless wallet. This is one you want to integrate. For example, when you want to do the transaction in backend, you can like use this way of connecting a wallet in the backend, so you can control the wallet on your end without like requesting like signing directly here. Like every time you don't want to open the browser, you can control the full wallet, but in the backend. How do you do this? You connect your wallet using your private key or your mnemonic. They're all the same. So uh, I use this many times when I want to do bulk transactions, or I want to do like, for example, if you want to do what does it payout, for example, for users. So you can like connect your wallet in backend and do the distributions. Or if you want to do like reward distribution, you can just connect the wallet containing tokens, and then you can do the distribution. For example, for set, use this kind of connections. Yeah. And again, as I told you that Mesh integrate many providers. We can have Maestro, we can have BlockFrost, we can have Koios. Most of those providers are free. So no, not free, but they have freemium. So you can still integrate, and as long as you don't reach the maximum, which is quite high, you can still use it without paying anything. Yeah, and you can integrate many wallets. You can connect many wallets at once. It's still possible. This in this way you can just connect one wallet. This is 24 word of a wallet from a mnemonic. And from for example, BIP 2020 like 32 routes, you can generate like you can connect as well wallets. Many kind of like many type of connections, but the same type of like connections. I told you that Mesh.js has the possibility to like directly gives you like Mesh.js can give you directly uh, component, React component. So instead of designing your own like wallets, like for example, you can just copy this and add it in your wallet, and you'll have the mesh wallet component directly integrated. This is how it works. You just install the mesh React library, and then you'll just add the code if you want to go deep, and you can customize it. Mostly, you just use the component, and then after that, you can add uh, some CSS customization to make sure that the wallet, like the model looks like your application. And one more thing are wallet hooks. So you have many wallet hooks here. For example, use wallet list, use wallet addresses, use wallet assets. All those listed here are hooks. So you can use them in different ways. And again, you'll have time to like pass by Mesh.js and see how it really works. And one last thing is Mesh now have where is it? I think resources, Cardano courses. I think Mesh.js now have some GitHub repos like open source samples where you can like just clone the project or have the project directly, the code of the project, and directly you can run it and see how it works. And from that, you can just pull the code if you want to utilize the code and integrate it in your wallet. And again, this was only Mesh. We also have Evolution SDK, which is even, this is the GitHub. You can like read more about it by going in their documentation. The documentation is very, very clean and it's easier to understand. Yeah, this is how it's like. This is the documentation of the Evolution SDK. You can read how to like integrate, how to like connect wallet, for example, private keys, API wallet, everything here. If you really want to go deep. Yeah. And Cardano connection, Cardano connects with from Cardano Foundation. I hope yeah, exactly. This is the library, and you can see what I was saying. So it comes with the UI directly. You can customize it as you really wish. So yeah, you just need to install the library in your project and start integrating it. Yeah, you even have some samples on how you can integrate it directly, and they showed you here how to use even in Mesh like Next.js project. Let me come back here in resources, and this is how it really works. Like depending on what you really want to do, this is the schema on. If you want to integrate, you can look this and say, okay, this is what I really want. Need wallet integration? Yeah, okay. Using React, for example, this was only example, one sample of how it really works. So using React, yes, pre-built. If React, do you need a pre-built like UI? You can use Cardano Connect with wallet, which comes with the UI. Or Mesh.js, I showed you that you can directly use the component from Mesh. If you don't want to use the pre-built UI, you can directly use Evolution SDK, for example. You can still use Mesh to do so. But again, you can also use Evolution SDK. If you need strong typing, you use Evolution SDK because it uses TypeScript. If you don't like, you need like full control of the wallet, you may use like Lucid SDK or directly use CIP theory. And some example on how to integrate, you have those examples in the Mesh.js directly. And I think I've spent a lot of time explaining. I maybe need to get some feedback from you. If you have any question, any type of question according to Cardano wallet or wallet in general, or how wallet works, here to I'll be happy to answer. Yeah. Yeah. So let me drop the link in the chat. Yes. So yeah. If you have any question, I'm here to answer. Or not only question, even suggestion or anything. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Israel. So yeah, I'm still waiting for questions or anything. If not, I'll go back to the documentation and proceed with the rest. Yes, let's start with Chris.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you very well, please.
Yes, I have one question about how AdaX really works. Could you please tell me what are the tools that you have used for AdaX app?
Yeah, of course. Oh, edX use the most of like open source APIs and libraries. Um, I won't go through it right now because edX is on pending. Do like some complication of KYB process, but I can like show you how it works here because yeah, again, um, it's the same process as edX. So yeah, let me show you how it really works and explaining how it works behind the scene. I need to have the mainnet. This is the test net. It can't work in the. Are you seeing my wallet?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is only my test wallet. Don't worry about it. So I can go to the mainnet. This is only our test wallet, so I don't have anything inside. If someone want to send me some ADA, why not? Yeah. So I only have two ADA. How does it really work? So if I want, for example, to connect my wallet, I just click this button, exactly the same as AdaX you are requesting. You click like to show all browse wallet I have here, and I click on it. Can you see this screen? Can you see this screen? I can someone speak please because I can't see my screen. I can't see the meeting screen.
Yeah, it kind of blocked on the pop-up connecting to your wallet. Wait, then look.
Exactly. Okay. So yeah. So if you are saying you can see authorized apps like connection, like I want to connect the wallet as a authentication method. Um, they showed you what I'm using in the project. I can see the like you can see here wallet network. I can see the wallet network. I can see your wallet UTXOs to check balances. Uh, yeah, again, see when we are checking UTXOs, we are seeing balances. And again, I can also see addresses right now. But in the future, we are going to get to need more features than this. So I can just authorize. Again, I don't remember the password here. Always authorize. It may okay. It may ask for the password now. Do you see now here how it really works? Now I'm creating like a session. This is what it really works in backend. This signature will not trigger any blockchain transaction or cost any fee because we are only signing this like sign this message to authenticate. We are only authenticating the user. We don't do any on-chain transaction. Yeah. So I can confirm by putting my password. Again, I don't really remember my password. What is it? Unfortunately, I don't remember this password, this wallet password. I need to like go and check again after. So this is really how it works. And again, here it will cancel because I did not provide the password. But after that, for ADAX, we go deeper because we want to do more transactions. Let me maybe go to ADAX so you see how it really works. I think we'll have few errors. Yeah. So okay. Again, as I said, those informations are coming from directly from Mesh. So it's kind of like show the same content. We had two wallets there. We have the same here. So if I click here, we'll have the same. Okay, it's accept because I did it like previously. I signed the connection previously, so yeah, it works. So exactly, you can see here we have the balance of ADA, and for AX, which is ADAX token. That's how it works. If we just if you just want to understand the process of connecting wallet in ADAX, so very simple and very easy, as I showed you previously in the presentation. I don't know if it does ask like answer to your question, but if you still have some, if you want to go deeper, let me know. I can like explain in deeply how it really works.
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay, yeah, welcome. We still have 10 minutes. If you guys have any question, you can like ask. And again, we have one repo which contain most of futures, most of functions I've just presented. I won't run the project here, but if you want to see how to integrate it, you can go to GitHub. Let me go directly here, so I show you how to find it. Again, let me go to my repo. Okay, let me go to wallet dashboard, something like that. Yeah, this is the repo. I'll just drop the link in the chat with this repo. So it's a demo dashboard integrating with Cardano wallet services. So this is a kind of wallet browser. You connect the wallet, you can do the transaction, you can even mint native tokens. So it's an open source. If you want to contribute, you can just create, like if you want to contribute, you can test it and create issues if you want to like participate. But again, it's an open source, you just need to fork it. I can see that we have 4 fork. So you can fork it and like add your contribution or like add an issue, and like we'll be happy in the community to contribute on it. Yeah. So it's like kind of sample of Cardano wallet, demo wallet dashboard. You can test it on your end. Let me just drop the link directly here so you can like go and test on your end again. Okay. Now then you can buy because okay. If you want to gift me, I can just send you my address, but that's not my my main wallet address. My main wallet I use. Yeah, Oliver.
Yeah, thank you, Danny. Thank you, everybody here for the session. I'm really grateful because while seeing some sort of advices on how we can just integrate wallet on Cardano, I'm very happy. So, however, I hear it. I don't know if I hear it well. You said that there is a way we can just integrate wallet on an app, and so users will not be obliged to create even wallet in the have seed phrase. So I don't know if this is possible, and if it's possible, doesn't it have some risks? Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Again, when you accept that kind of wallet, I said, let me come back again. I said those custodial wallets where users doesn't really manage their private keys, you need to trust the platform. Why do I say that? Because they have access to everything. They can do transaction on your behalf. So yeah, when you're clicking like sign transaction, their backend execute the signing process on your behalf. So you don't control the wallet directly. You just see it's like when you are sending money from your bank application to someone else. So it's not you, the one who control the wallet. Someone else control the wallet, not someone else, but a company or a platform directly control the private key. So what I can say is when you want to connect to custodial wallets, you really need to trust the platform before. You need to read a lot more about the company to understand what they really do. For example, we really trust Binance because they hold, I think, a quite large of users custodial wallet. So yeah, before like connecting or creating custodial wallets, you need to trust the platform. And again, you know that I'm not the one to control. Like I can't like leave. Let me give you an example. When I'm using, for example, Lace wallet, Lace can't go with my money, like never, because I'm the one who control it. When Lace close the app, I just take my private key and connect to another wallet. But when Binance closes, you don't find your money anymore. You not get your money back. So that's how it works. That's the difference between custodial and non-custodial wallets. So mostly, if you want to hold and control the money you have, you should use non-custodial. And again, when you're talking about security purpose, yeah, again, you really need to trust a platform before connecting or creating a custodial wallet and send money in that platform. That's how it really works. I don't know if it answers to your question. I hope so. So again, we still have 4 minutes. We have like a survey. We are running a survey. I don't know if you guys know about it. How many people have like filled the form, or how many people that still not filled like they are still waiting to fill at the last time, like at last minute, because we are ending the survey at the end of this month. Let me share the link so you can like go and directly fill the form. Let me look for it. Intersect OSC. So we are running the survey in different languages. We have French, English. We have I think French, English, Japanese, Chinese, and Portuguese. So let me look for it. Yeah, here it is. Okay.
Yeah, thanks for sharing. Maybe I'm gonna send it by tomorrow. I forgot.
Oh, okay, okay. Even tomorrow is still okay. So I'm sending the X post of Intersect OIC directly here. I just pin it. So please, it will take you like 10 minutes. So yeah, we have French version. If you speak French, feel free to answer and fill the form. All answers like will be like how can I say, all answers from different languages will be mixed, like, and we'll also receive feedback from Cardano Foundation as well. So we'll mix together those feedback and improve your experience as a Cardano developer. So please feel free to reach out if you don't understand anything. Again, we are able to schedule a one-to-one call with me or any other developer advocates at Intersect. Let me share with you the repo. If you're going to this repo and you go to the README down, let me just share my screen very quickly. I know that you're at the end, so I shall show you how it really works, how to find it. Can you see my screen? No.
Not yet, not yet.
Okay, share the entire. Okay. Okay. Still not, I think. Okay, still not?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Okay. So what I suggest is to just go to this repo and go down in the README in the same page. You will find like a list of developer advocates if you want to schedule a one-to-one call with me and according about your progress as a developer in the ecosystem. You just go and choose one of the developer advocate and schedule. You can see all the all the calendars, all our calendars slot like this availability. You just pick 30 minutes of one-to-one call and we'll discuss any question and development question. Yeah. And again, we have also added a new page where you can, it's opportunity page for maintenance return program. We've added it very like few hours ago. You can find the link just there and read about it. If you are not ready for now, you can still apply even after. But I recommend you to first start making sure that you are comfortable with contributions and you have some PRs at least to apply. Yeah, that's it. Any last question, because we are at the end of this call, and I don't know if you guys still have like questions. We are here to do that. So yeah, we still have, we can like take 2 or 3 minutes to answer the last questions. If you don't have any other questions, we'll close the call after 5 minutes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. So any last question? If you have any question, any question, yeah, we can answer. And again, we are implementing a feedback process in the DevEx portal. So when you're passing to like when you're passing to a documentation, if it's not that useful or helpful, you can just note. Yeah, we'll have the feedback and improve ourselves to get the documentation better than what we have now. Yeah. So I can see that there is no more questions. Yeah, in 4 minutes, we'll close the call. And if you want to review the call, the video after, we have it in the YouTube channel, Intersect OSC, I think. YouTube channel you can follow, so you have all the updates on not only these sessions, we have many discussions, we have podcasts, we have many things we share in that channel. So yeah, you can just subscribe and yeah, to receive all updates from Intersect open source community. Yeah, thank you guys for being here today. And again, you can share all the links we've just shared with you and invite other people to participate in the next sessions. We have like morning sessions on Wednesday, not on every Wednesday. So it's bi-weekly Wednesday. If we had this session today, the next week we'll have the morning sessions on Wednesday. And after that, we'll again have the evening session. That's how we do it. That's how we plan it. So again, the morning and the evening session are the same. So if you participated in the morning session, no need to participate in the evening. They're almost the same. We have the same calendar. We just share almost the same documentation. So you just choose one. Morning session, it's almost 5 a.m. UTC, so quite earlier in the morning. And this one, 5 p.m. UTC. Yeah. 2 more minutes and I'll end the call. Okay, I think we are ready to go. Thank you, guys. Thank you again and see you in the next sessions.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you very much.